Best iPhone 16 Pro Max camera settings, full setup. Best quality. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you the best iPhone 16 Pro Max camera settings in a short guide. So let's just jump into the video. So first of all, as you can see, you have to go to the settings, and from here, and after that you have to tap on camera, as you can see, and after that you have to tap on formats under the camera section, and you will find formats between record sound and preserve setting. As you can see, record sound and preserve settings, the camera is on the middle, and then you have to ensure the following three settings. Like, you have to click on high efficiency, and photo mode is 24 megapixel, and pro raw resolution control should be enabled, and pro default should be pro raw max, and spatial video for Apple Vision Pro should be enabled. And after that you have to tap on pro default, and after clicking on pro default you have to check the pro raw max up to 48 megapixel and jpeg xl lossy. You have to check both of them and go back to camera menu and tap on preserve setting. And after going to preserve setting, you have to return to camera menu and enable grid and make sure level is toggled. And according to the Maldonado, these settings help him line up his shots, plus ensure the portraits in photo mode, prioritize faster shooting, lens correction, and macro control are enabled too. So while you're actually in the camera app itself, the expert suggests that user toggle raw max on, and after clicking on raw max, plus while shooting, make sure you're hitting a 1x, the main sensor known as the wide camera, to get the best quality photos. So now go to there with your new tweaked iPhone and let everyone know in the comments if you notice a difference. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.